Habari za wanafunzi. It's so good to see you guys. Welcome back. I'm so excited to be teaching this class this term. And I hope you guys have been learning your Swahili. And you've been teaching and speaking in Swahili to your parents. Because this term, we are going to learn some new Swahili words. And we are going to start with learning about colors. Colors in Swahili. So first, I want you to think about your favorite color. Just put it at the back of your head. And I'll tell you my favorite color. Can you guess what my favorite color is? I'll tell you at the end. For now, I'm just going to tell you the Swahili colors. Colors in Swahili. We're going to start with the color red. And red in Swahili is nyekundu. Nyekundu. Say after me. Nyekundu. That is red. Red is nyekundu. Then we go to the next color. Color orange. Interesting facts. Orange in English is a color, but it's also a fruit. Same applies to Swahili. Same applies to Spanish. Same applies to German. It's a fruit and it's a color. So what's orange in Swahili?
Orange.
It is called machungwa. So if you say orange, you could be meaning the fruit. You could be meaning the color. Machungwa. Say after me. Machungwa. Machungwa. Then we go to the next color, which is the color gray. Color gray. Color gray in Swahili is kijivu. 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 Say after me. Kijivu. That's the color gray. Then we go to the next one, which is the color white. Color white is nyeupe. 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 Say with me. Nyeupe. Nyeupe is the color white. Let's see, what do we have next? We have the color green. Green in Swahili is kijani. Say with me. Kijani. 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 That's the color green. That's why we have majani chai, which is tea leaves. Because the root word is jani, means green leaf. Then we have the color brown. The color brown in Swahili is hudhurungi. 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 Hudhurungi is the color brown. Hudhurungi. And then we have the color purple. Purple is zambarau. Zambarau. Say with me. Zambarau. Zambarau. So zambarau is the color purple, and it's also the name of a fruit, grapes. Grapes is also called zambarau, which is also the color purple. Then we have the other color is yellow. Yellow is called manjano. Manjano. Say it with me. Manjano. Manjano. That's the color yellow. Then we have the color black. Color black in Swahili is nyeusi. 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 The color black is nyeusi. And then we have the color pink. The color pink is waridi. Waridi. Say with me. Waridi. Waridi. That's the color pink. And now, as I told you before, think of your favorite color. I'm gonna give you a minute to think of your favorite color. Did you find it? I know what my favorite color is. Then, go back to where I told you what your favorite color is. Try to memorize. I'll go back to what mine is. My favorite color, can you guess? Red. My favorite color is red, which is nyekundu. So I will memorize. My favorite color is red. So I will write it down and try to say it. Nyekundu. So if your favorite color is something different, please find your favorite color and write it down. That's the word if we're in class, that would be your ticket out the door. But for you to be successful in this class, I need you to memorize 3. 1 is your favorite color. 2 is Miss Zarina's favorite color, which is, remember, nyekundu. And nyekundu is red. So write it down. Write your favorite color, then write my favorite color. Ask somebody in your house, either your mom or your dad or your brother or sister or your uncle, whoever is with you in the house, ask them their favorite color and try to memorize. But if there are 2 people, if you find that maybe you and your sibling, your brother or sister or your mom have the same favorite color, look for somebody else, because I need you to memorize 3 different colors for today. That's your assignment. Write the 3 different colors, memorize them, and then you will come to, there's a link, so you will come and play this game. Just go to play and go to the link and play, see what colors they are. Like orange, try to remember, that's machungwa. And then we have other games that I will give to you to try and play, so that you come to March, and then it will give you, it's taking some time, you play the game, so it says start game. It will give you the different colors in words and in pictures. So are you remember? Manjano is what color again? I think it's yellow. Yes. And then I also look for nyekundu is Let me put this here. Nyekundu is red. But if I did something wrong, maybe orange, I know. Let me try. If I say this, that's wrong. So try and practice and do that game. And I will see you soon. I miss you. Kwaherini, kwaheri ya kuonana. Make sure you have your 3 colors for this week. 3 colors. Your favorite color, either your mom's favorite color or your dad's or your siblings. And Miss Zarina's favorite color, I'll give you a hint. It's red. Kwaherini, wanafunzi. Tutaonana baadaye.